Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here again with muesli crunchy fruity, and it contains 5 fruit. As you can see in picture, it's banana, apple, grapefruit, grapes and avocado. This is apricot. Yes, this is made in Germany and the weight is 1000 gram, and it's been given by a brand known as Lulu. So as you can see over here, all the ingredients are mentioned over here, and that's it. It costed me around $4. So let's not waste much time and open it. So here is the scissor. I'm gonna chop, and this is how it looks like. See, this is banana, and it has raisins in it, and more things also, some seeds, more of banana, and all the fruits. That's truth. All the fruits, they have dried it and they have given in this bag, and it's very good for your health. You just need to mix it with milk and just have it. No sugar, nothing. It's very tasty. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.